Alright, so today we're going to be styling this haircut with the Maapilim pomade. It's great for hairstyles that need a good amount of hold. I like to start off by moistening the hair, kind of down to like a towel dry. I'm just going to smooth out these sides with a little scissor over the comb. Let's put some texture into the top. I use this product every day on my clients. It's this nice black color, a little sticky to the touch at first, but you won't feel that in your hair. Make sure you rub this product all throughout your hands before applying it to avoid any clumping. I like to start from the back of the head and work my fingers through it. You want to use this product when you have a hairstyle that needs a bit more hold. This has a lot of shine in it too. Cool, that should hold all day.